Hello everyone, this is Aditya. How are you? I hope you all guys are good. Today we discuss about the Poco F9 Pros and launched and we discuss about it. I will tell you all main points about it. In box they are providing documentation, SIM card tool, case, 90 watts charging USB Type A to Type C. Back is coming with glass back and it's a metal frame oriented one. Camera module is so small and pretty looks good. 6.67 inches QHD plus display, 120 Hz refresh rate and 3200 nits peak brightness is there. Now we talk about the display. Display is pretty good and HDR10 support is there and colors are showing very well and Dolby Vision is there, support is there. So these all things are there and looks pretty good. While coming to the India, price range will be there 40,000 below and 35,000 to the 45,000 is the range is there particularly for this particular phone. Dolby Vision support is there. Processor 8 Gen 3 processor. Antutu score 2 million is there. 12 to 56 GB and 12 512 GB variants are there. LPDD R5X RAM type and UFS 4.1 storage type. 6000 mAh battery and OS and UI which is based on HyperOS 15 based on Android 15. 4 years major update and 5 to 6 years security updates are coming and are giving AI features all are there, right to image to text and everything AI features are there. Don't worry, all the features are there. AI welcome the AI text and etc. etc. Ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and face lock. Basically, all sensors are available. Now we discuss about the cameras. 50 MP primary camera and 8 MP ultra wide camera. While coming to the selfie is 20 MP. It's a mid-range camera, video recording 4K 60 fps and welcome to the front camera, video 1080p with 60 fps, IP68 certified, connectivity Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4. Now if we talk about the protection, Gorilla Glass 7 protection is there and it's pretty good. Now while coming to the gaming performance, this performance is really good, is up to the mark and so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye friends, Jai Hind, take care.